Hello friends, welcome to V7 Fitness Academy's Human Body and Movement Science Educational Video Series. Today's topic is about planes of movement and axis. In our previous video, we have discussed, learned and established about human anatomical positions and appropriate directional terminology. Now we are ready to explore the language of human movement. As we all know that the human body moves in complex ways, which can make description difficult in some time. But in order to heighten our understanding and communication, exercise scientists have categorized and simplified the terminology of human movement. This encourages us to analyze and describe complex human movements by breaking them down into simpler parts. We have studied that motions occur at the joints of the body in one of the three general directions: front and back, side to side, rotational. And to describe these movements precisely, we have to visualize the body transected by one of the three large imaginary planes. The first plane, which divides the body vertically into right and left half, is called sagittal plane. Example, the front to back movement occur parallel to this imaginary plane. Swinging of our arms and legs during walking. The second plane divides the body vertically into front and back. Here, this plane is called frontal plane or coronal plane. Side to side movement occur parallel to this imaginary plane. Example, upper and lower limb movement that occur when we do jumping jacks. The third plane divides the body horizontally into superior and inferior region, and it is called transverse plane or horizontal plane. Rotational or turning movement occur parallel to this imaginary plane. Example, turning your head over your shoulders to look behind you. Next, what are axes? Each of the three types of movements, which is sagittal, forward and backward, frontal, sideways, and transverse, rotational or spiral, that occur around an axis. Let us visualize a wheel turning on its axle. So this is a wheel and this is an axle. Each of the three planes of movement which have corresponding axis around which movement occurs. This axis is always perpendicular to the corresponding plane. The front and back movement that occur in the sagittal plane rotates or pivot around the frontal axis. So this is the axle and this is rotating forward and backward. Next, the side to side movement that occur in the frontal plane pivot or revolves around the sagittal axis. Example, your table fan. The axle is here and the fan blades rotate sideways. Finally, the rotational movement that occur in the transverse plane revolves or pivots around the longitudinal axis. Example, as I mentioned earlier, turning your head over your shoulder to look behind you. Otherwise, your ceiling fan. This is the axle and this is the blade. So the blade is rotating perpendicular to the axle. So friends, hope you all like this video and achieve better understanding about the planes of motion and axis. Can I request you to kindly like and share this video. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is Vipin Chandrasekharan. Thank you for watching this video. Let us meet again with more interesting topic on Friday. See you. Bye.